Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin with the news that the Tourism Ministry has ordered a major security audit of all major hotels and attractions across the island. Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett made the revelation earlier today in an interview with the TVJ News, where he issued a stern warning to those who breach standard security guidelines. The audit follows reports of 2 American tourists allegedly being raped at gunpoint at the Rio Reggae Hotel in St. James. Details in this report. A mandate to the tourism product development company TPDCO.
And that I have charged them to conduct a full audit of the security arrangements at all hotels and attractions across Jamaica.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says there are very few incidents against visitors, and safety and security is an important part of maintaining brand Jamaica.
An audit is necessary to take a good look at where we are, how these protocols have been carried out in the various properties, and to what extent we need any tweaking and any addition.
So, what will happen to hotels and attractions that are in breach of the safety and security regulations?
Those who are found to be continuously in breach of the high security standards and safety standards within the industry will face very serious penalties, because we do have the option of either withdrawing, revoking, or otherwise suspending licenses where there is habitual infraction of safety and security measures.
News surfaced late September that 2 American women were allegedly raped by an entertainment coordinator at the Rio Reggae Hotel in St. James. Damar Scott was reportedly employed to the hotel just days before the attack. He was remanded when he appeared in the St. James Parish Court last week and is also facing other sexual charges in Manchester and St. Elizabeth.